Alright. Alright, so for this keyboard, this is a keyboard that I bought for about $18, $20 something, because it was broken. The left control didn't work, and it was like, I think, the M key. So after desoldering it, I found out that there was a problem with the diode on the left control, and I just put, like, I've done this before on another board where like the signal doesn't get through on like a specific part of the PCB. So I just took a piece of an LED, like a very thin part. I just cut off one of those and soldered it like across the diode, and it actually worked. And I was very surprised that it worked. And I was very pleased, because that means the whole board works properly. So I desoldered all the switches. They came with MX Reds. So, and I wasn't too happy with the stock Reds. I mean, it sounds pretty harsh as they come. So I desoldered it successfully. I've done it before, but I've managed to break two PCBs actually trying to do that. Finally, it actually worked. I'm really happy about that. So I managed to desolder it and put in these switches, which are they are YOK Red Panda houses, which come with a black stem, so they're originally linear. These are the ones that people make holy pandas with. Originally, it was the inward panda housings, so they're cream or white, basically. But I've used them with MX Clears here, lubed of course, and they feel great. They feel amazing. It's really like this nice tactile poppy feeling to it. Very satisfying to type on. And lubed, it sounds and feels great. So I'm super happy about it. So I replaced all the switches with that, and yeah, here's the sound of it.